You might wonder, hello, you might wonder how to find out the particular data type. Let's take these cases. Let's comment out these unnecessary codes. And you already know what is about this. If you don't know, please watch my previous videos. Let's say you don't know the type this file for some reason. I mean, you are really stupid if you don't know what is the type of this file. And let's see how to find it out. Ignore these codes, okay? Print, and you're going to type my favorite code. Yeah, my age. Okay, first my age. In here you see it's 23. So in order to find the type, you can simply use type inside here, and you can simply run it. It says it starts int. Then in the process for others as well. For my favorite food, let's see the type. Type should be string or str or something like that. Yeah, it's a str. Let's comment out this. It's not necessary. Yeah. Now let's comment out this as well. Let's see about the other type. Print the type. Let's put this type. Be mindful of the braces, please. Yeah, scarce float. And let's comment out this as well. And let's see a boolean value. Is it raining? Is it raining? I think not. I mean, double and no single. Okay. It's not raining at the moment, so it's false. Let's say, is it not raining? It's true, it's not raining. So you can print out, is it raining? Should say false. And to find the type, you can type is it raining? Say it's good. Same thing applies, so it's not raining. I think you have a clear idea to find out the type of a particular variable in Python. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you.